Hey, welcome back to a physionic video. In this video we will be discussing the glucosamine molecule. So we're going to go over what the glucosamine molecule is from a chemical, kind of biochemical / nutrition standpoint. So understand what exactly glucosamine is in terms of our physiological state. So if that's what you're here to find out, then you've come to the right video. Let's do it. So glucosamine, if you're not familiar with it, is a molecule that's been thought to help with joint health. That said, however, what is it actually made up of? What is the molecule made up of? It's a monosaccharide and an amino group. So the monosaccharide that we're talking about in this case is glucose, and the amino group that we're talking about is glutamine. So a combination of those two ends up with glucosamine. Now, it goes by different names. We've got aminomonosaccharide as well as a glycoprotein. So, but really we can get the derivatives of those names. For example, the aminomonosaccharide, amino going to that glutamine group, and then of course the monosaccharide, which I already mentioned, is that glucose, and glucose is a monosaccharide. On the other end, of course, glycoprotein, glyco kind of denoting glycogen, which is like glucose, it's stored glucose essentially. And then of course protein, well, I don't really need to educate you on that too much. Glutamine is of course one of the 20 amino acids that we use for the formations of protein, and of course, well, glycoprotein, pretty self-explanatory. So that's that. That's just kind of a tidbit video. I mean, not really. It's probably not going to have too much application, but that is why it is through these two systems, using glucose and using an amino group, that our body's able to synthesize glucosamine. However, if you were to already take in glucosamine, well, that would be another thing as well. Hopefully you found the video informative. If you did, then I would certainly appreciate if you subscribed, and I will see you in the next one. See ya.